Morphle, morph into an excavator.
The yearly water balloon beach castle competition is about to start. Kids against parents. Start building your sandcastles now. The castles are done. Now get out your water balloons.
Our castle is great. We are going to win.
Yeah, they're just little kids.
That was amazing! The kids win this award.
Haha, congratulations, kids. You won fair and square.
Let's play in the castle some more. Can I hold the award now, Morphle?
Look, Pirate Phil, it's a treasure.
So?
So, we are pirates, Pirate Phil. And what do pirates love? That's right, treasures.
But they have a giant sandcastle, Pirate Maurice.
Yes, but we have a water balloon cannon.
Let's get them, guys! Balloons, Morphle. Dig a hole for me to sneak out. If you keep fixing the castle, I'll go get the water balloons. Daddy, we need more water balloons. The pirates won our award.
We don't have any more water balloons.
But we can fill up these with water.
Yeah, or this.
treasure is almost ours! Huh? Pirate Phil! Fire the water cannon!
I think he should go see a doctor.
Morphle, morph into an ambulance. Let's go, Morphle. Oh no, it's a traffic jam. Morphle, go over it. Yay! This is great, Morphle, but I have an even better idea. Morphle, morph into a flying ambulance.
Thank you very much for bringing Troy to the hospital, Mila and Morphle.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor too. That way I can help people get better, just like you.
That's very nice, Mila, but I will tell you a secret. It's not just people that I help. I am also the doctor that treats all the mythological creatures that live in and around this city. It would be a great help if I could use this amazing ambulance to visit my next mythological patients.
Yeah, of course!
Our first stop is Starfish Island. Our next patient is the mountain giant.
Look! That's him!
Let's try again, Morphle. How will we ever reach the mountain giant?
I have an idea! Morphle, add a jet engine to the ambulance.
Thank you so much. Morphle was a great...
Oh no!
It looks like Morphle the ambulance caught the flu from one of our patients.
Poor Morphle. Please help Morphle get better, Doctor.
I'll give Morphle some medicine. But the rest is up to you, Mila. Because the most important thing Morphle needs now is love and care.
Daddy and I made you this healthy soup, Morphle. Once upon a time, there was a little red ambulance, and it caught the flu, and it was very sick. But the little red ambulance also... Morphle, morph into a big truck.
We need to bring all these machines to the new building site.
To the new building site, Morphle.
Not in my city. Here we are, the new building site.
Hey, there's a truck here already.
Yep, that's the only truck we didn't have to bring. It came by itself. It's a robot dump truck that we got from Professor Zong.
I remember you.
Builder Lawrence, all your machines fell from your truck, and it's causing mayhem in my city. You are right. The truck is empty. What do we do now?
Morphle and the robot dump truck could go find all the machines.
Yes, that's a great idea.
Morphle, morph into a dump truck too. Let's play a game. Whoever brings back the most machines wins. Okay, Morphle, let's find some machines. The robot dump truck found his first machine, but we'll get the next one. Look, Morphle, those people are stuck in the cement. Morphle, morph into a jackhammer. Enough, Morphle. Morph into a bigger dump truck. Look, Morphle. The robot dump truck also found 2 vehicles. Whoever finds the next vehicle wins. There it is! The wrecking ball! Oh no! The muddy bandits got a hold of it! Stop it, muddy bandits! That's Troy's house!
We are no longer the Muddy Bandits. We are now the Wrecking Bandits. And we are about to wreck this house.
No! That's our house! Morphle, morph into a robot!
The Wrecking Bandits will strike again.
We will help you rebuild your house. We should stop the game and work together. Morphle, morph into a toy dinosaur.
Tumbling test tubes. I accidentally dropped this life ray that I was going to present at the National Science Conference, and it zapped your toy dinosaurs to life. But it broke, and I can't zap the dinosaurs back again. Mila, can you look after them while I fix my life ray?
Of course, Professor Rashid. I'm sure we'll have lots of fun together.
Great! I'll be back as soon as I can.
Okay, toy dinosaurs. While we wait for the professor to return, let's play a game. fun, but now I'm tired. Yeah, fun. Hungry. Yeah, we should get something to eat. Oh, I know. Let's have a picnic. Yay!
There we go. That took longer than expected, but it's fixed now. Let's go back to the toy dinosaurs right away. I hope nothing bad has happened while I was gone. Oh, tumbling test tubes.
Professor, do you want to join the picnic? We've been having great fun.
Thank you, Mila, but I think it's time to zap the dinosaurs back into toys. Steady. Oh.
Professor Rashid, I don't think the toy dinosaurs want to go back to being toys. They've been having much more fun as living dinosaurs.
Yes, Mila, but the city is no place for dinosaurs.
Oh, I have an idea. Maybe Zookeeper Kenneth has a place for them.
Wow! What's this? Are those giant toy dinosaurs?
Yeah, Professor Rashid accidentally zapped them with his life ray. Do you have a place for the toy dinosaurs to live, Zookeeper Kenneth?
Well, the zoo only has one place for big animals, and the elephants already live there. But during my travels, I think I spotted an uninhabited island where the toy dinosaurs could live.
Let's go there right away, Morphle. There it is! You seem to have fun already. This island is a great home for you, but we need to go home again as well. Bye, toy dinosaurs! Bye-bye! Morphle, morph into a toy car!
Oh no, a flat tire. Mila and Morphle, I need your help. There's a major crime going on in the city park, and without my police car, I can't get there fast enough.
Oh no! Of course we'll help, Mr. Policeman. Morphle, morph into a police car. To the park, Morphle. I wonder what the major crime is, Morphle. Maybe it's the glue bandits.
Over there, Morphle. I need a chopper.
Morphle, morph into a police helicopter.
Not in my city. That sign says, keep off the grass. I'll have to write you a ticket.
Was that the big crime you need to stop, Mr. Policeman?
Yep. It was a... Oh, no. Morphle, go over there. Lady, aren't you a bit too old to be committing crimes? You did not clean up your doggy's poop in my city. I'll have to write you a ticket, lady.
These don't seem like very important crimes, Morphle.
Phew. It's a good thing we're here today. There's a lot of major crime going on. Oh, no. This is serious.
Follow him, Morphle.
Stop it right there, Ice Cream Man. Look at your ice cream. It's melting.
Well, yeah, but...
I cannot stand for this. Not in my city. I will have to write you a ticket.
Ice cream! Oh no! Morphle, look! Mr. Policeman! Look! There's a crime going on!
Ah, I see. Morphle, why didn't you stop? There was crime right there. Morphle, take a left here. Look at how that car is parked.
Look, Morphle! They're going over the bridge! Oh no! The bridge is opening! Morphle, add rockets to the car!
Morphle, you have to stop. If you don't, we will... fly. Cars aren't supposed to fly in my city.
Morphle, we have to get in front of the bandits so we can stop them. We caught you, glue bandits.
We are no longer the glue bandits. We are now the chain of office bandits. Now I see why you went after the bandits, Morphle. We caught them in the act of littering.
What?
What? In my city. I will have to write you a ticket for that.
It's the mayor.
The chain of office bandits will strike again.
Ah, Mr. Policeman, thank you so much for finding my chain.
Your chain? Ha ha! That means it was you who was littering in my city, Mr. Mayor.
What?
I will have to write you a ticket.